Welcome to Storyline Online, brought to you by the SAG-AFTRA Foundation. I'm June Squibb, and today I'm going to read So Much Slime, written by Jason Lefebvre and illustrated by Zac Retz. My family loves to make slime. My dad says slime is stretchy. My mom says slime is scientific. But I say slime is super squishy. Ooh, I shout, I can show my class how to make slime. With your teacher's permission, Mom cautions. Remember, Matty, slime is simple. Just 3 ingredients: glue, baking soda, and saline. And Dad adds, everything else is just pizzazz. That night, I stuffed my backpack with all the slime-making supplies I'll need. The next day, my art teacher agrees to a demonstration, so I set out everything I brought. Slime is simple, I explained to the class. Just 3 ingredients. First is glue. At home, we use 1 bottle. But I want enough slime for everyone, so I'm using 6. Seems like a lot, Matty, my teacher warns. Don't worry, I reassure her. I know exactly what I'm doing. PLIP. Next is baking soda, I say. 1 teaspoon for each bottle of glue. Then what, my teacher asks. Slime is simple, I repeat. Just 3 ingredients. Glue, baking soda, and, I scan my supplies trying to remember the 3rd. Oh, yeah! Pizzazz! I squeeze in food coloring while Julia stirs. Now comes the best part. We'll knead this with our hands, like dough. So I pour a waterfall of slime onto the table and shout, "Cowabunga!" My teacher shudders. Matty, is it supposed to spread like that? Oh no, I shout. I forgot to bring saline. That's what turns this stuff into slime. I can't make slime without saline. You forgot the saline, my teacher squawks. I don't have any saline. Oh, this is bad. My demo is doomed. Instead of squishy slime, I'm up to my wrists in an icky, sticky swamp. How will I ever clean this up, I groan. Something from the art closet might help, Grace suggests. Pom-poms look like little mops, Izzy hollers. Maybe these can sop it up. Izzy, Julia, and Noah lob fuzzy pom-poms onto the table. But they just land. Plip, plop, plip, and sink into the spreading sludge. Now I'm up to my elbows in the icky, sticky swamp. Sand might solidify it, Luke shouts, dumping in a bag full. Noah, Caitlin, and Julia dump sand too, enough to turn a swamp into a desert. But the sand creates a wave. Swoosh! And soon I'm surfing in the icky, sticky swamp. Look, Owen says, felt letters are like tiny towels. Maybe these could soak up the swamp. A, B, where's the C? Oh, there's no time for ABC order, Noah yells. He flings felt letters at me until I'm in the eye of an alphabet storm. The letters float for a few seconds, but soon start to slip beneath the surface. Glug, glug, glug. And so do I. Now I'm up to my shoulders in the icky, sticky swamp. Hey, everybody, Caitlin calls. Haley and I wonder if we could whip this swamp into slime. Many arms start mixing, but this only makes bubbles. They rise and grow until the biggest bubble explodes. KABOOM! My teacher looks ready to explode now, too, because the icky, sticky swamp is landing everywhere. Just then, the school nurse bursts in. Is everyone okay? What's going on? It's supposed to be slime, I splutter. But I forgot the saline. I'm all out of saline, the nurse says. But prizes make everything better. Her prizes add plenty of pizzazz. But I'm still stuck in the icky, sticky swamp. My demo is a dud, a total disaster. Oh, why did I forget the saline, I wail. Oh, Owen shouts, running out the door. I know where to find saline in school. Owen is back in a flash. Saline from the science lab, he shrieks, squirting a stream across the room. My classmates gasp as the swamp magically morphs into spectacular, squishy slime. Everyone helps need. Slime is simple, the science teacher recites. Just 3 ingredients: glue, baking soda, and saline, we all shout. Just then, I see my parents and the principal at the door. Hi, Matty, Mom calls. You forgot the saline at home. I know, I say, but look, my friends saved the slime. Impressive slime, kiddo, Dad declares, lifting me into the air. It's filled with pizzazz, just like you. Everyone is amazed. We roll the slime around. The big blobs pick up the extra bits, so cleanup is fast and fun. Soon our classroom is spotless. As the final bell rings, my teacher hands out containers. And just as I planned, there's enough slime for everyone. My slime demo was a super success after all. When we get home, Dad hands me a package. What's this, I ask. Read the card, Mom says. Dear Matty, use this journal to track your imaginative experiments. I glued in one of my favorite slime recipes to get you started. Yours truly, Principal Stuckey. Cool, I say. Now I'll never forget an ingredient. We follow Principal Stuckey's recipe right away to make stretchy, scientific, super squishy, glow-in-the-dark slime. I love this book because it tells me that even if I make a mess, I can clean it up and it'll be beautiful. That's good to know. Even if something goes wrong, that with help, with friends, with teachers, with mothers and dads, that you can make them all right. Thank you for watching Storyline Online. Make sure to check out all of our stories. Keep watching and keep reading.